Hi guys, it's Steve from Techie Tips, and in today's tutorial I'm going to explain to you what OneDrive is all about and the reasons why you should be using it. Well, I get a lot of questions about OneDrive, mostly people asking what is it and how can they benefit from it. Well, OneDrive in essence is a cloud-based system where you can store all of your documents, your files, your folders, your pictures, and you can basically store them in the cloud. So why is this a benefit to you? Well, I see it being an IT support engineer on a daily basis when people walk in with a laptop and their hard drive's crashed. Now, in some situations, you can get documents back off a hard drive that's crashed, but not always. And what they've done is they've saved all their documents to their desktop, or they've saved them to the documents folder on their PC. So if I can show you now, so we've got documents here, so these are all my documents. We've got all my pictures, another folder which I've put different documents in, my videos. You know, it's never ending. But what people don't realise is if, and it does happen, if their laptop or desktop crashes and you lose your hard drive, then guess what? You've lost all of this data, all of it. So, to be safe, I'm highly recommending that you use OneDrive app, and it's not that complicated. I'm going to show you a quick tutorial how to sign up for it, and you can get a free account. So let me just go into the OneDrive website, which is this one here. It's microsoft.com. Cloud storage OneDrive. If you just Google OneDrive, you'll see this page, and you can sign up here for free. Now, if we go to the pricing plans, you can see that you can get the OneDrive Basic, and you get 5 gigabytes of storage for free, so there is no payment whatsoever. So all you do is you click on sign up for free, enter your email address, and you sign up for OneDrive. Now I'm going to show you how to copy your files across to OneDrive, but as soon as you sign up and you get your web portal login, so if I sign up here, for example, it's going to take me straight to my portal because I've already signed up. And so now I could be not at my desktop or away from my laptop. I could be in another country, and I can sign on to my OneDrive portal, and lo and behold, I can access all of my files from any device anywhere in the world. So that's a huge benefit of the OneDrive system, because you don't need to take your laptop or your desktop where you've saved all of your files, because they're backed up in the cloud, and they're all safe. If you lose your hard drive or you have a computer problem that you can't resolve, then you haven't lost any files. So that's a massive bonus for you. So let me just show you what it looks like. So if we go into File Explorer, when you sign up for OneDrive, you'll get this OneDrive button on the left, and if we expand it, you can see that I've got all of my attachments, my documents, my videos, my pictures, my passwords, everything on here is saved to OneDrive. Okay, now what happens is with OneDrive is when it's synced and it syncs all your documents from your PC. So these documents, pictures, videos, you've got a tick there, and that tells you that all of these documents, in this case this is my video file, have been synced from OneDrive, i.e. they've been synced from my device up into the cloud in OneDrive. So you simply need to install it and you'll get portal access, and you'll be good to go. Once you've installed it, if you click on the little arrow here, you'll see a cloud, and that's your OneDrive app, and mine is showing up to date. So if I click on it, I can see that all of my documents are synced, because it's got the circle and the tick, and then this here, where it's got a cloud, this means that this document and this document and this document was synced from my personal computer into my OneDrive, i.e. in the cloud, but it's no longer on my PC, so I've removed it or I've deleted it. So that's what that status means there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what happens when you copy something from your desktop or your laptop into the OneDrive folder. So if I click on pictures, for example, and I click on this one, blank desktop, I can copy it, and I can go into my OneDrive pictures file, I can right click, I can paste, and now that folder is there in OneDrive. And what it does, it gives you a status, blank desktop PNG, and it was uploaded to OneDrive 6 seconds ago. So it is just a case of leaving it, and your documents from your desktop will sync over to OneDrive. Now when you're on the portal, so again, you don't need your own device, because all your files and folders are in the cloud. You can log on to your portal and you can access all of your files. You can even upload files. So if you wanted to upload files from a device that you're using with OneDrive, you can just go click them, upload. All mine are already uploaded anyway, because I've made sure that I've done that, because I don't want to lose them. So in a nutshell, OneDrive can save you a lot of heartache. It really can. So sign up for it. It's free. It doesn't cost you a penny, and you get 5 gigabytes of storage. Don't forget to check the icon in the tray, this cloud button. So if you create a new document on your device, OneDrive should automatically sync it, and you'll get a status notification here. Well, you can just click on your OneDrive app and you can see recently uploaded documents. So for example, 50 minutes ago, I uploaded all of my videos to OneDrive. And the way I did that was I literally went into videos, I did Control A, I then right clicked on them, copy, went into my OneDrive folder, and I created a folder called videos here. And the way you do that is you go into OneDrive and you click new folder, and I'll call this one test. New folder, test, and here we have So I've created two, so I'll delete that one. So here's the new folder. I can rename it to test. That's in OneDrive now. This will give me a status when I click on my OneDrive icon from here. And now I can copy anything I want to from my desktop. This is on my PC, this is in the cloud, so I can copy anything. So I can copy this document, go into my test folder in OneDrive, paste it in, and lo and behold, it's there. And there it is, look, uploaded 3 seconds ago. So I hope you can see the benefits. It can save you a big headache if you lose your hard drive or your PC crashes or your desktop crashes. So sign up for it. It's free. You get 5 gig of storage for nothing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for other interesting and informative videos, and I'll see you in the next video.